Hi, it's Cindy A. Lewis. Thank you for joining me on my channel. I'm especially excited to share this Dollar Tree haul with you. In the Dollar Tree haul, I'm going to show you some new items that I found that maybe you haven't seen yet, or they're just coming into your store in your area. Also some fall items, some snacks and stuff that are going to be going into a gift basket. I'm going to be doing another video for the gift basket I'm putting together. And why am I putting a gift basket together? Let me tell you. Insight Eye Care has asked me to put together a beautiful gift basket for the World Sight Day Challenge. And that basket will be at Insight Eye Care starting October 1st. And you can go in there and make a donation for the World Sight Day Challenge. This is to help people that don't have access to getting their eye exams or to getting glasses that they need, and to avoid blindness or visual impairment. So this is a worldwide campaign. I'm excited to be a part of it. So I just will let you know when I'm going to put the gift basket together so that you can see what is in it, and in case you want to go by Insight Eye Care and make a donation. Now, Insight Eye Care is located on Waco Avenue, 12140 South Waco Avenue in Glenpool, Oklahoma. So if you're not in Oklahoma, you can access their website at insightieok.com. Insight is spelled INSIGHT, IOK.com. So I'll put that in the comments below. So anyway, let's get started with the haul. Okay, first I'm going to show you some things that I picked up to go in the gift basket, but of course not everything is coming from the Dollar Tree. There are some really nice items and merchandise that will be in the gift basket, and it's a big one, so it's going to be exciting. So anyway, let me show you a few things. Now, since this is all about eyes, and Dollar Tree just happened to have a lot of eyeballs, I went ahead and picked some up, and you'll have to come back. I'm going to do some crafts with these eyeballs so you can see what I'm going to be doing with those. There were also these fun party favors for eyeballs, and there are 6 of them, and they're I think they're the, like you push it down and it pops up. And then I picked up a couple of mason jars. I also picked up some of these eyes. No telling what I'll do with them, since this is all focused on eyes, And then these are just for decoration, not for wearing, but I did get some sunglasses. I also picked up a little offline eye mask, and this one is just to keep the light out so you can sleep. They also had these very cute eyeball lights, so I can't wait to see how they look. But anyway, they all have eyes, they're little cat eyes, and so you get 6 count. Okay, I decided to go ahead and put the batteries in the lights so you could see. They're just pretty white LED lights, so they're not yellowy or anything, or warm. So that's what they look like. Okay. All right, the next thing that I'm going to show you is I got this cute little ball. I know that it's really not gift basket worthy, but it is adorable, and it has big, huge eyeballs, which is really important to the gift basket. Now, I did find 3 of these keychains. They're really adorable. They're just flowery little keychains. They had purple, this kind of coral salmon-y color, and this green. I will be putting probably the green one in there, although the colors are teal, yellow, and black. But I thought it might accent well, so I'm gonna do that. Then my store had bath bombs. So if you're looking to get ready for Christmas, these are great stocking stuffers. And these are pineapples. And this one is just a ball or a globe. And let's see, it doesn't really say a color on it. So I don't know if there's a color, a fragrance on it. But anyway, just alert that they have these now. Okay, Now for the gift basket, I did pick up some candy, and these are eyeball gumballs. So those will be fun to put in something for them. And then they had these eyeballs, and these are googly eyeballs. They're chocolate with crisp and crunchy candy on the inside. So this is hard to see, but anyway, to be honest, I couldn't find eyeballs very many places at all. Matter of fact, when I was looking the other day, this was the only place that had eyeball candy. So if you're looking for eyeball candy, go to Dollar Tree and see if they still have some, because they didn't have that many. All right, I also picked up a few snacks to put in the gift basket. So these are the Anderson peanut butter filled pretzel nuggets, and I hear they're really good. These are craisins, which of course any kind of fruit is really good for your eyesight. And then I picked up these caramel apple filled Werther's Originals, and of course they're caramel apple filled, so they're bound to be good for you, right? I don't know. Anyway, I'm not making light of it. I just wanted to put a few little things in there. Now, another thing that I picked up for home were these sugar-free chewy caramels. I haven't tasted them. Some people say caramel, some people say caramel. Which way do you say it? I'm not sure which way, but I'm from the South, and so we said caramel. So anyway, I'm gonna try these. I haven't tried them. And then this fruit and nut blend of snack is going into the basket. And then my husband loves to eat different types of nuts, and these look really good. And these are for energy. And so I'm going to get, this is almonds, pecans, walnuts, honey roasted peanuts, honey roasted sesame sticks. So he probably won't eat the honey roasted part, but I think he'll like the other. Okay, so that's all that's going in the gift basket that I purchased. But I did want you to know that Dollar Tree does have some movies. They even have Blu-ray movies. So this one is Rio #2, and this is the Blu-ray deluxe edition for $1. So I haven't seen it. Thought I would get it. Plus sometimes we have visitors that like to watch that kind of thing. All right, I also picked up 2 more of these. If you haven't seen, these are cute little donuts that have lip balm in them. They're little lip glosses. This pink one is cinnamon sugar, and this, oh, sorry about the hair, and this purple one is strawberry. So those are fun. Okay, then, oh, I found one more. This one is vanilla cream. Really cute idea. Great stocking stuffers if you're looking already. All right, so there is at the Dollar Tree, don't forget about the carvable pumpkins that you can do all kinds of things with. Have a couple more fall DIYs at my sleeve that will be out shortly, so don't miss those. And then also, did you know they had canvas? So they have stretch canvas. So this is stretched canvas on a wood frame. These are 5x7s. So these would be fun to paint, right? And then they also have canvas panels, and there's 2 in this pack for $1. So I thought they would be fun to do some DIYs on, and so I picked up a couple of those each. Now the last couple of things that I did pick up were some decorations that actually go on the wall, but you could do all kinds of things with them. So this one is Dream, and it's mirrored, and it is really large. It is, does it say how large it is? Let me show you. So the D is about, let's see, about 4 inches, and then the rest of the letters are about 3. So that's really large. The length is about 7.5 inches. So we've got dream, and then I picked up love, and it has some hearts that go with it. So I thought that was really great. I also picked up some stickers. I hadn't seen these pretty blue ones. Maybe you have. If you've seen these pretty blue ones, you know, let me know. I love to hear your comments. I love to hear what you think and what you're picking up at your Dollar Tree. Now, I did pick these words up. I've been on the hunt. I did see them on a video, and our Dollar Tree had not had them. Well, we have a number of Dollar Trees in this area, but I couldn't find them. And they say thankful, harvest, and welcome. So we're gonna use these in a DIY. Super simple, easy, easy, easy peasy. And I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with those. And I did get 2 of them because I wanted to be able to do that. Thankful, harvest, and welcome. So be fun. DIY's coming soon. Okay, and that is really my haul. So I want to thank you for joining me tonight or today or whenever you're watching it. What was your favorite thing that I found? What was your favorite thing? I think my favorite thing is going to be these words, because we can decorate them in a number of different ways. So anyway, let me know what was your favorite thing in the haul. Was it the bath bombs? Was it the cool eyeballs? Was it the candy? Was it the canvas? What was your favorite thing? I showed you mine. So anyway, I hope you have a great evening. Support World Sight Day Challenge. Support Optometry Giving Sight, because that is just a really important thing for us to see. And you know, what would it be like if you couldn't see? Just think about that. So anyway, they have a website. It's givingsight.org, and you can donate there. You can go to Insight Eye Care's website. It's insightiok.com, and watch for the gift basket video coming soon. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. You can comment below and subscribe so you know when I post that video. Okay, thanks.